What's going on, y'all? Back again. Just scrolling through here in this fire line. Looks like I got me a Benton. Let's see if it's whole. Yeah, sure is. Ooh, that's some pretty color. I don't know what it is about me and these Bentons. That looks like what it is. It might be a pickweed. I don't know. Pretty color. Y'all can see that. That tip. Alrighty. Just got back from the Waverly Arrowhead show. Had to come hunting. I'm sure glad I did. Alright. Hopefully I'll be back with another one. Thanks for watching.